Go.
So good day, sir. We are here, the Christian and uncles, to show our VCMS, the Veterinary Clinic Management System, web-based interfaces. First, share my entire screen. Am I so here? We can see our front page. So in our front page is has HTML and CSS, and we can see here we have many like buttons, like hover and style, but some of the like button links is not functional. First here, and we can click the client login. um, we have also here the two links, back to home page, then here the register now. See here, we can put some data here, and then back to home page. You can also see here the vaccinate our services, the vaccination, pet boarding, and grooming. But we have four services, but this is not for now. This is not functional. Then ito may function din ito. Then try natin mag-login. Login tayo sa client na side. Ito si Dexter Santo. Then wait. Ito pala, admin pala yun. So dito makikita natin yung client na dashboard, and makikita din natin na may hover ang kada anong tawag, like dito may pets, upcoming visit, medical history, but ito may function to view pets, manage appointments, view records. Ito wala, wala pa, not functional pa to. Ito din. And then ito naman sa my appointments. So dito makikita natin yung apat naming services, the pet boarding, vaccination, grooming, at check-up. So click natin tong pet boarding. Ito hindi pa to gumagana kasi hindi pa, wala pa kasing pet. To drop down. Drop down to text label, close. So far, itong tatlo, hindi, wala pang functionality din to. Then, the next is sa my pets. So, dito makikita natin yung specific na mga pet ng ating client. So, pwede din tayo maka-add dito ng pet. Kaya natin mag-add. Diyan din, drop down to. So, lagay natin dog. Add. So, dito makikita natin na-add yung dyan. Then, may magpa-prompt dito na na-add yung dyan. Then, itong profile, not function ba to? Then, the next natin papakita is yung sa admin na side. So, ito si Dexter. Then log in. So dito sa admin, makikita na yung mga today's appointment, register pets, yung mga low stock na at mga staff members. So dito not function pa tong nandito. Pati ito dito wala pa rin. So dito sa user wala pa rin. Sa appointment. So pati services. Ang next natin gagawin ay titik over ni John Christian Bacol about sa reports.
Excuse me, dili ma-klaro yung
May sound ba?
Okay. Okay na. Rinig ako? So we have two types of reports. And is the custom reports. Napili namin na gumawa ng predefined reports para sa mga reports na common na na-generate ng admin, and for custom reports din para sa customizations ng mga reports. So ang unang report namin na makita is yung list of pet owners and pet appointments. So ito po yung sa predefined reports. So then dito makikita natin yung pet column na pet owners, pet name, pet species, pet breed, and appointment date, appointment time, service name, branch name, and then the status. Next report is the list of completed appointments with payment details. So then let's click the view. Then here we have the columns: appointment ID, pet owners, pet name, service name, appointment date, branch address, consent forms, total amount, payment status. So, and the next list of confirmed appointments and what service. So the columns are appointment ID, pet owners, pet name, appointment date, service name, and then also the status. Then for the next report is the list of registered pet owners and pets. So here we have the pet owner ID, pet owners, owner contact number, owner email, owner address, pet name, pet species, pet breed, pet age, and then the pet gender. So next is the list of pet visit summary with services. So here we have the pet owner ID, pet owner, owner contact number, pet name, pet species, pet breed, and total visits, service availed, total spent, and then last visit date. Next is the reports of pets with allergies and medications. So here we have the vet name, pet name, allergies, existing health conditions, owner first name, owner last name, owner contact number, and then date administered. So next is vaccination appointments. Here we have the appointment ID, pet owners, pet name, the vaccine name, date administered, and then the next due date, the vaccine. Next is the list of grooming appointments with special requests. First is we have the appointment ID, pet owners, pet name, grooming service requested, and then grooming preference. Next is the boarding pets with dietary needs. Here we have the pet owners, pet name, medical conditions of the pets, special dietary needs, feeding instructions, if you want the clinic to provide the food, or if you want the owner to provide the food. So then next is the list of checkup appointments with health details. Here we have the appointment ID, pet owner, pet name, veterinarian, appointment date and time, service, reason for visiting, existing conditions, and then lastly the vaccination status. And then next is the list of partially paid appointments. Here we have the pet owners, owner last name, owner contact number, and then the payment status. Then next is the list of grooming technicians schedules. Here we have the user ID, the user full name, user type, branch name, and then the branch address. And then lastly, the list of services with appointment count. Here we have the service type, service name, total bookings, popularity status with the threshold, and then lastly the status. So that's all for the report, sir. For the custom reports, sir, it's not functional. It's not functional yet, but we have the interface. The problem is it's not functional yet. So that's all, sir. Thank you. Wala.